Don't marry for money, because money will come and go. But marry for good character and conduct, discipline, the deen, the connection with the Maker and so on. Those are characteristics you will cherish right up to the end. Your children will be the best of kids because they've got lovely parents. You were part of that choice. Sacrifice. At the minute you have eyes looking everywhere and wishing and wanting, and then you've got the money to go and do things, you end up doing things that are an embarrassment, not just for you, but for your children, and not just your children, but you lose contentment as much as you think you have temporary enjoyment of this world. It's very temporary. May Allah protect all of us. The temporary enjoyment, if it comes in the displeasure of the Almighty, you're not going to go far in life. Just be disciplined. You go home early, you put your phone aside, and you look at the people around you, and you express your love, your respect. You serve them, you help them, you smile with them. That is what Allah wants from us.